Do you want to see one of the coolest places in the world? The whole campground is surrounded by this electric fence. We gotta go through it. That fence keeps all the bears and like wolverines and stuff out of the campground, but they can be out here. To get to this place, we gotta walk down this boardwalk. These trees are just like glass with the snow on them. The swamp here attracts moose and reptiles and other animals that love the more nutrient soils. It is winter time, so it's kind of covered up with snow right now, and the reptiles probably aren't out today. We're so far north, it's 10 a.m. that the sun hasn't even peaked over the horizon yet. We're almost there. Look at the steam rolling off of that. Oh my goodness, that is intense. Main pool up here, and then a lower pool over there. Why are we going in here again?
You thought you were gonna warm up.
Oh man. Oh, cold, 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 cold. Oh, that's nice. This is an amazing pool. There's just the icy trees and the ladder getting out. All that.
But even my towel, I had to set in snow and ice. I was like, oh, that hurts.
Yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to get out. Some of it's cold. Oh wow, that gets hot fast. Oh, it's really hot over here. Yeah, it's too hot. See it literally bubbling out of the ground? Careful, it gets hot way too quick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's also like bubbling even here now. Like,
Oh,
careful.
This is my spot right here.
Yeah. We got to figure out an exit strategy.
I think we're gonna try to like bake ourselves. Get uncomfortably hot so that the cold feels like a relief. Look at my fingernails.
Oh yeah.
Slightly
Look at those.
pruny.
Mine are a little bit too. It's got like these really intense hot pockets, and it like burns the skin.
It can go from scalding to tapping.
Yeah, but then it's like freezing cold over here. Oh, it's slippery. Careful. Yeah. Careful, though, it's slippery. Oh my gosh, my feet are sticking to the ice. They're literally sticking. I know, I forgot my towel. My swimsuit is stuck to the ice. I will say, somehow my body has gotten used to being out of the water. Like, my feet were awful and they were sticking to the ice. Kind of like how that kid in A Christmas Story got his tongue stuck to a flagpole. My feet just kept getting stuck to the ice, which kind of was painful and hurt and was really cold. But being fully bundled now, it's not too bad. What do you think?
I'm thankfully very toasty.
Yeah.
I'm wearing like double, like 2 layers of wool on top and bottom.
It was awful and great all at the same time. We've got only 4 days left to get my letter to Santa. Today we're gonna be driving through these mountains and seeing more cool stuff along the way to Alaska. So navigation here is super simple. Basically left is south on the Alaska Highway and then right is north on the Alaska Highway. So we are headed north. Oh, look at those beautiful mountains behind us.
It's just everywhere you look, there's mountains.
It's beautiful here. Oh my gosh, what are these sleepy things? Oh my gosh, they're all bison. Oh my gosh, that one's got his head in the snow. I think he's foraging. They're all over. There's more over here and even more up here. We are almost about to enter the Yukon. Welcome to the Yukon. Wow, there are so many stickers on that. I have no idea how we're gonna get to the sign. Looks like others have tried and failed. These are huge banks. But the sign is right there. Oh no. Okay, we can do this. We're in the Yukon. Oh man. Oh, I'm gonna be so cold after this. Yes. We need to get to the sign. Yes. We're getting there. If I get stuck out here, Kendra's gonna have to come rescue me. Boy. It's only 3 o'clock and it's crazy that the sun is already behind the trees. There's only maybe 3 to 4 hours of sunlight today. We're making it. We're getting progress. It's about 10 degrees out right now. There it is. Look at all the stickers on there. All right, where's it going? I think there is an empty spot right there. It's going. Oh no, it's not sticky. Let's stick to another sticker a little bit. Oh no. It's not sticky. There we go. Oh, not really. There's just a shoe on the sign. I'm just gonna stick it right in the shoe. Right there. I feel like a Yukon man now. We have made it to the 60th parallel line. We're heading north. We have made it to the signpost forest. I just need to get a different coat on. It's a little cold out right now. We're just in a tiny little town here of about 800 people. But here it is, signpost forest. There's just a ton of signs in here. And how it started is there was a soldier who was posted in the area and he got homesick of, where was he from? The guy who was homesick.
I don't know where he was from,
Yeah.
but he basically made his own sign and posted it here.
Yeah.
And it was how far he was from home.
With kind of like this one, with the distance to home and pointed in his direction. And since then, people just keep adding more and more signs. There's literally layers and layers and layers and layers of signs. I didn't bring a sign, but I did bring our little sticker. I'm wondering if I can get it on this garbage can over here. Yeah, it sticks. Kind of. Let's see what's over in this thing. Whole cage around.
Old vehicle. The Dalmatian, old fire truck.
Old fire truck?
See the little Dalmatian mascot on top?
Oh, yeah. Oh, the Watson Lake Volunteer Fire Department. And the Dalmatian up top. Huh. There's so many fun signs and hilarious ones here. Even t-shirts and all sorts of stuff. License plates. I mean, it just keeps going and going and going. There's more machinery too, like a bulldozer and some sort of maybe bucket truck, like for electrical lines. I don't really know if they're part of the Signpost Forest or somebody just parked them there for the winter. There's even a bridge.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. There's even like a mining pan where they sift out gold. I think that might be another one, or it might just be a pie plate.
I see a skillet over here of some sort.
Oh yeah. And there's a boot. We gotta warm up, and I heard that they've got some indoor stuff to do here in the rec center. Is the bowling alley open?
Yeah. Basically, it's $12.60 per lane, and that's how we're ready to play on the lane.
Okay. Do you want to do it?
I'd love to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They just unlocked bowling for us up here, so it's like we've got our lanes and seats. It's a pretty unique place. Right.
Maybe skin like
Yeah.
goosey.
Might have to do 12. These are the weirdest bowling balls I've ever seen.
Nice.
Wait, there's only like 5 pins.
I know. And you get 3 turns each frame, which I think normally you only get 2 turns each frame.
Yeah. Oh, that's what I did the first time too. So I was expecting like the other pins behind it.
That hurt me.
Maybe? Yeah. Oh, nice. I'm not really sure how to get all 5 because if you hit one, they don't like hit the other ones behind it. And did you see that they're connected by string?
Are they?
Yeah, look at it. It pulls them up by string.
Oh my gosh.
They did it. Oh, it's got animation. It's exploded.
That's.
I feel like you need like the holes in the ball to guide it.
I know.
I can't like, I just gotta palm it. Definitely bigger hands are beneficial here. Wait, we haven't seen this yet. Different pins have different values.
Oh, I did not know that at all.
No. Oh boy, the local bowling teams have quite some names. There's its own dedicated curling rink even.
It's awkward because I feel like in order I can't like try to. Jen, you didn't see that. There you go.
Both strikes. We are not friends anymore. That was not a good follow-up. We're done with the bowling. Thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah, have a good one.
Good, yeah, thanks. You guys too.
Are you guys all ready to hit the road? Mitzi, you ready? Snow, you ready? It is so warm in her little cocoon. I know. We had the heat going while we were playing the bowling game. As the old timers say, don't pass gas on the Alaska Highway. I think we're also going to use the diesel heater tonight. It's got its own little onboard tank here. Are you guys able to fill propane?
No, our frequency down like this at 5, and I think you can try that nice in the hotel, they will great people.
Okay. They do have the cabinet dug out. So let's see if they'll fill our propane. Hey, are you able to fill propane? Yeah. All right, thanks. Hi, are you able to fill propane?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'll meet you out there. I'll grab my tank up. Thanks for doing it. For tonight, I just pulled out on the side of the Alaska Highway. There's just some of these nice pullouts. Tonight is a beautiful night with a clear sky, some stars, a mountain. There's the Alaska Highway. Beautiful night. Tonight we're going to test out the diesel heater. It's about 10 degrees out and the propane works at those temps, but I want to make sure that the diesel heater works. Propane's starting to get a little harder to come by, so I just want to make sure that we have an alternate source if needed. Just plug that in there. What we'll do is we'll just turn it on.
Start heating.
And that'll ignite it. Give that a second. While that goes, I'm gonna start plumbing the air in. Inside here, behind the curtains, I have this custom board. And what I can do is I can open the window up. And open it just enough so I can slide this piece through here. Then we'll go back outside. So this aluminum duct is for a dryer. So far I've only tried this at home at about freezing temperatures, never at this cold. So I'm curious to see how it all goes. Just twisting that up there. That way it's on tight. We'll just attach that and hose clamp it as well. At some point, I want to figure out how to make it a little more efficient. Got some ideas for this trip. Basically, just so we're not losing all the heat going through here out to the environment.